Hello beauties, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to do this easy simple makeup look within 10 minutes. If you want to know how I create this look, then let's get start the video. First I'm gonna start with moisturizing my face, and this one is from Kiehl's. This is their brightening and smoothing moisturizer treatment. I've been using this moisturizer from last 7 months and I'm totally loving it. In between, I'm wearing my contact lenses. This is my power lens and it's from Bausch& Lomb. So next I'm going to apply all over my face, my neck area, back side of my neck, this Biotic Bio Sandalwood Sunscreen Ultra Soothing Face Lotion. It has SPF 50. This sunscreen is perfect for every skin type. Then I apply this face primer, and this is my Maybelline Baby Instant Pore Eraser Primer. Primer fills in pores and create a layer between your skin and makeup and protect your skin from getting damaged. And primer skin को बहुत smooth बना देता है, तो foundation को blend करने में बहुत easy हो जाता है. So next step is foundation. This is from MAC Sculpting Foundation. My shade is NC40. मैं फाउंडेशन को एक मेकअप ब्रश की बैक साइड से फेस और नेक एरिया में अप्लाई करूंगी. देन एक फाउंडेशन ब्रश की हेल्प से फाउंडेशन को बहुत अच्छे से ब्लेंड कर लूँगी. दिस इज़ माई रियल टेक्निक फाउंडेशन ब्रश, बट यू कैन यूज़ एनी मेकअप स्पंज और ब्यूटी ब्लेंडर टू ब्लेंड योर फाउंडेशन नाइसली. Next, for my under eye area, I'm going to apply this Maybelline Age Divine Concealer. This is so amazing, guys, and I'm also using a little bit of this around my nose, bit of my nose, and you can use it wherever you feel you need some extra coverage. And next, I blend it all with my Real Technique Beauty Blender. Next, I will apply my MAC Studio Fix powder. My shade is NC40 with my Real Technique powder brush to set all my concealer and foundation evenly. To set my eyebrow, first I use my NYX Tinted Eyebrow Mascara. The color is brown. Then I apply these two colors from my brow palette to give a darker look to it. Then again I am coming back to my eyes. This is my Morphe 35R palette. For shadow, first I am taking the light brown color and blend it all over my lid with the Real Technique blending brush. For my crease and the outer corner, I am taking this dark brown shade with the same brush and blend. Then I am also using the same dark color in my lower lash line. Next, for the eyeliner, I am using my NYX eyeliner pen. The color is dark black. Then I'm going to apply my BU mascara on my upper and lower lash line. If you want to use any false lashes, then go for it, but I want to keep it simple. For my lip, I'm going to use my Wet n Wild Fab Fusion lip pencil. And to fill up my lips, I'm going to use my Gosh 014 Lip Matte Cinnamon Color Lip Shade. For my highlighter, I'm going to use this Makeup Revolution Golden Sugar palette. And I'm going to apply it onto my cheekbone, my hairline, bridge of my nose. Then also underneath my eyebrow. At the end, to set all my makeup, I spray some NYX makeup fixing spray on my Real Technique beauty blender and press on to my skin, so this way your makeup will look more natural. So this is my finished look. I really hope you enjoy watching it, and if you like my makeup then give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe my channel so we can stay connected. Next week I will come with the new one. Till then, bye bye.